Hey, this is Christine, your DIY craftaholic. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome. In this video, I have a spring Temu haul, and if you use my discount code in the description box below, you'll get 30% off your entire Temu order. And if you go directly to the website, you'll also get a 30% off. And an additional 30% off your first order when you download the Temu app. Now, I'll leave all of that information down in the description box below. I'll also leave all the links for the items that I hauled, so make sure to check those out. Here is a little information about Temu. This says, what is Temu? Temu is an online marketplace that connects consumers with millions of sellers, manufacturers, and brands around the world with the mission to empower them to live their best life. Now, this is like Amazon. Now, I think that Temu is picking up speed. They've been around for a couple months. I'll leave their website link in my description box and you can check them out. Now, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a video of some products that they'll offer me for free, and I'll just do a video and offer my subscribers a 30% discount. So now let's get into what I hauled. Now, my budget was $60, and when I saw the bag came, I was like, all of that stuff that I ordered, they fit that into this bag? But when I opened it, I saw that I had 2 bags inside. So let's open this one, and this is a toothpaste holder. I'm gonna open this and show you what's on the inside, or how the inside looks. And here's a picture that I placed there, and I'll also show you how it looks when I install it in my bathroom. Now, my husband, he got very scared when I said I was gonna put it on the wall, so I decided to put it on the mirror. So here I'm just peeling off the adhesive cover, and then I stuck it on the glass, and I'm forcing the toothpaste on the inside there. I had the phone in one hand and working with my other hand, and this is how it works. Once you force the toothbrush on the inside, then the toothpaste is released. So that's that. Now, this is a hard drive case, and this was for him. He asked me to order that. These are some sanding blocks, a set of 4. Now, who as a crafter doesn't like to have this around? And the one that I had was almost done. So when I saw this, I decided I would get the set of 4. When I was asked to select anything that I wanted from the website, my first idea was to select items that I know I could use, not just because it looks fancy, that I could share as something I would use and give my experience. So that was my first thought, and that's what I did. Because I know I need sanding blocks. I use these in my crafts every day, so that's gonna come in very handy. These are exercise bands. We use these in our exercise routine, and I thought that this would, serve us well. So I got the blue for my husband and the pink for myself. This is a 3 pieces craft cutting tools, stainless steel craft knives with a 360-degree rotating blade. Now, this has 3 blades. They have some that are only 1. I know that I can use this in my crafting, so I thought this was a good deal. Now, next up are these little thank you stickers, and I got my 2 sets because these you can put on cards, envelopes, just as a little thank you note to someone who gave you a gift. And if you're selling items and somebody purchases, then you can stick that on the envelope with their receipt, just like that. I thought that those would be very nice for me to have. Now, that is a drain clog remover. I didn't do a video of this, but you'll just stick the smaller part down into the drainage or the drain. Just kind of work it in there, and that helps to unclog your drain. All right, these are little scrapbook paper. When I saw that, I said, yes, I can use these in my crafting. and see the different designs. These will come in very handy. At least I actually have a video that's coming out where I used one of them. And that you saw me with is a little or hair remover. And I got that from my husband. Now let's open bag number 2. Now inside this bag, these are air fryer liners that you can just put in the bottom of your air fryer when you're going to be using it. And this is a pack of 50. And of course, the very night it came, I had to use it. And my honest review, I used it and I can tell you that food wasn't dry. Because you know, sometimes you use your air fryer and the heat just dries out the moisture from it. This didn't happen when I used this. All right, let's dig into my bag again. Now this is a good deal, a very, very good deal. Now, like I said, I was combing through the website just looking for stuff that I could actually use. And this, I must tell you, I am satisfied with this. This is a one-piece fry pan for egg, non-stick, ham, pancake, whatever you want to fry in there. I tried it and I'll show you a little video that my husband did for me that next morning. Now, as it says, it's eco-friendly. The handle is like wood, but not wood. It's like the hard plastic. The pan itself has a little weight to it, so you know it's not from the little lightweight metal. It's very heavy. Now, this is a video of my husband testing out the pan, and he's making his favorite, which is pancake. But this video is not a cooking video, so I'm just showing you how we used or how useful this little frying pan is. I think you can actually do like sandwiches where you put the egg in one slot and then something else in another slot, and then you just flip them over on top of the other and make a sandwich. Now this is his pancake, and I must tell you, they taste very delicious that morning for breakfast. And this is the last item that I hauled. This is a storage container that you can store your towels or your sheets or curtains. And I only got one because I wanted to try it out first to see whether or not it was sturdy enough, as they say it is. So there it is, guys. This is my first Temu haul. I thank Temu for providing me with these items and also providing my subscribers with a 30% discount, which you can find in the description box below, as well as their website. And if you download the app, you would also receive an extra 30% discount. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Until my next one, stay safe and catch you then. Bye.